Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix no sound detected on CapCut PC. So go to menu and go to settings. Then you are going to go to the performance tab, I think, or edit. I don't remember where it is. It's in either one of these. Okay, it's in performance. Sorry, I didn't see it. Sound output, make sure you selected the correct sound output here. I already did that. And then you're going to press save, and as well as the mic, you're going to select the correct mic input as well. And if you still can't hear it, maybe it's from your volume mixer. So make sure you go down and make sure CapCut is on. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.